Hi guys, in this video I will teach you about the random array formula in Excel. So first of all I have write a formula here like equal a random array, then bracket, and how many data we can require in row. So here we can see that I have make a table. There are 10 row, so I have write 10, then comma, and how many column. Here we can see that I have make a 5 column, so write 5, then comma, and the minimum and the maximum value. So I have write 1, and the maximum value are up to 100 value. Then I have comma, and I have required integer numbers. So here we can see that there are decimal number also, and for true there is integer number, so I have write true, and then bracket close and enter. Here we can see that the random number are generated in the 10 and row and 5 columns. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.